Go on, play with Delaney, Jackson.
I think they're having a bonfire or something. If you want to blow your nails. I think they were going to have a bonfire maybe if it's not raining.
Uh-oh.
Is it yours?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on. Here.
One of the babies is so
Come on, look. Here. Come on.
big.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
He's so big.
You're fine. Ooh. I was just thinking that.
Go and give her a hug.
Can she have kisses? Can Delaney have kisses? That's not yours. Talk to her. Oh, there you go. There you go. Keep going.
You're such a big boy. You're a big boy. Why don't you give him a hug? You guys are going to get married someday. Where'd you find this at?
My mom got it for me. Or she got it for Jackson for Christmas. Play with her, Jackson. Don't just sit there. Play with her like you play with Chase and Bentley. Play with her like you play with your cousins. He's so tired.